subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Good evening friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Sir Abdul Sattar Khan, 12th English 2.4. Have you earned your tomorrow? Appreciation of the poem, question, answer and activities. Let's begin. First question. Was it well or surely spent? Explain the meaning and give illustrations. The poet asked the reader again and again if she spent each day well or wasted it. Surely spent. We all are busy with our own lives, acting for our own benefit. The poet inspires us to be mindful and must be of use to the world around us. The poet prompts us to speak kindly and unselfishly, help at least one fellow human every day. The message is implied throughout the poem. He asks if you have made one person happy, some stranger who had lost all hope, to find some hope again, so he will speak well of you. If is someone grateful to you at the end of each day. Next question. As you close your eyes in slumber, do you think that God would say you have earned one more tomorrow by the work you did today? Elaborate the idea and express in these lines. The poet indirectly means that each day we exist, we must make our living useful. We are not sure if we shall wake in the morning. We pray we do, but for God to grant us one more day tomorrow, we have to justify our existence today. Did we put today to use? Did we help at least one fellow human? Did we extend the help without expecting any returns? Did at least one person feel grateful for your act of help? If nothing, we can make the effort to speak a kind word to a stranger. We may pass by in our daily hurry, so one has live mindfully, unselfishly, and look for ways to be of help to someone in need. That is the minimum expected by God, or to have lived as a human would be futile. Poetic devices की activity है. The poet has used different poetic devices like alliteration and interrogation in the poem. Identify and pick out the lines. First है alliteration. Were you selfish, pure and simple as you rushed along the way? Selfish and simple ऐसा यहाँ पर repeat हुआ है. As you close your eyes in slumber, do you think that God would say? Slumber say. The sound of SS repeated. Interrogation. The first, the second and the fourth line of stanza all are questions or interrogation. The second and fourth lines in the stanzas are stanza number 3 are questions. Appreciation of the poem. About the poem and the title, the theme of the poem, the poetic style, the language, poetic devices used in the poem, special features, message, values, morals in the poem, your opinion about the poem. Let's begin. The poet Edgar Guest's Have You Earned Your Tomorrow is a thought-provoking composition. The title itself pushes our mind to wonder if today we have done something useful. It urges the reader to be thoughtful in everyday life about the people around them. The poet puts forward questions. Each question forces us to ask ourselves if we are kind, unselfish, patient and thoughtful in our everyday rush to live our life only for our own benefit. We forget to consider the people nearby who may be less fortunate. There is interrogation in 11 lines of the 16-line poem. The language is simple. There is alliteration and rhyme. The poem has 4 stanzas of 4 lines each. The first stanza has 4 lines, each having 14 syllables. The second, third and fourth stanza, also with 4 lines, have 15 syllables each. The clear message of the poem is one's life is meaningful only if it is useful for humanity at large. The poet says one's conscience has to know that your existence is justified, or one cannot feel he has the right to ask for more day of life.